Yan na nakitaas. Na. Wala siya nakainom na. I-head up.
This is the aeroplane that will take Kevin.
Wait lang.
George loves aeroplanes.
Welcome aboard. We hope you enjoy your flight with us today.
Oh, love Monday na niya yung sister. Uy, the best babysitter ka?
Yes, George. You can sit next for window 2.
Emergency speaking.
Upo. Anak, itaas na like that. Uy, the best baby kuku, babysitter kuku. Hala! Mawinner na si baby Kaylang.
That's because we're on top of the clouds. The plane.
Aguroy, magdudo na di oy ko lang. What? Yummy na, yung dudo. As Kayla. Oh my! Unya, na dirty na ang face sa baby niyo.
This is Captain Emergency speaking. We are about to
Wow, very good. Uy, the best kuku babysitter.
aeroplane has aeroplane.
Wow, na-champion ang baby ni mo. Ay, kiss ang baby ni mo.
Così bella signora.
Thank you, Coco. Thank you kay Coco. Uy, baby. What? What's that? Dodo?
Whoa, not no, not flowers. No.